We just grabbed a random beat off of YouTube. Alright, yeah. Boom, what's up everybody, yo? Today we are testing out the... Fuck, what was I about to say again? Damn, I don't even remember shit. Pretty much we're just gonna be answering the days old question. Do you need expensive plugins, or can you just do it all stock and have it sound pretty much the same? 2 presets, we're gonna put both of them to the test. One of them is entirely not stock, just all like... And then the other one is pretty much the exact same preset, but instead all stock plugins. Alright, we're just gonna go ahead and get straight into this. Basically, so we're gonna start off with the stock plugin first, then we're gonna listen to the other one with the non-stock presets, and then we're gonna compare the two. Now when I record the song for my computer's sake, we're gonna be doing it on the stock plugin just because I don't have the best PC in the world. I mean, RAM is up the ass right now, man. Yeah, 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 yeah. So this is the stock one, right? All stock FL plugins. Other than the auto-tune. If you don't got auto-tune, you can use Pitcher, but go get some auto-tune, bro. This one right here, this is the non-stock plugin. Wow, yeah. Alright. Now let's go ahead and make a song. Go! See me how I'm fucking moving, I'm the best. Woo! I get a little toxic in this club when I'm a mess. We gon' smoke all of the weed like cigarettes. Alright, so now that we got our, you know what I mean? This is what it sounds like with the stock preset, and then we're gonna take all of these vocals and put it on the non-stock and compare the two. Go! Alright, after my FL decided to shit itself and crash, we are currently back, alright, so redo that. Window shopping, make me mad, don't it? I don't condone it. Yeah, they see me how I'm fucking moving, I'm the best. Only know she love you if you wanna chest. Woo! I get a little toxic in this club when I'm a mess. We gon' smoke all of the weed like cigarettes, yeah. Got no cash, fuck it, still dropping a bag, nothing. I'ma be like window shopping. I'll make you mad, don't it? Take a drive, but I don't condone it. I don't even see my homies. Television, main focus. Awesome. Alright, sweet swag. So that's how that sounds with the stock plugins. Now we're gonna go ahead and get into the industry plugins. Let's get it. Yeah, they see me how I'm fucking moving, I'm the best. Only know she love you if you wanna chest. Woo! I get a little toxic in this club when I'm a mess. We gon' smoke all of the weed like cigarettes, yeah. I ain't got no cash, fuck it, still dropping a bag, nothing. I'ma be like window shopping. I'll make you mad, don't it? Take a drive, but I don't condone it. I don't even see my homies. Television, main focus. I get so fucked up, surprised I woke up. They'll say you love her, I'ma throw up. Get that shit mixed up, yeah. Kinda feel like bass guy. Alright guys, that was a $0 preset versus a $10,000 preset. Also, if you guys want to buy these presets, hit me up, DM me, text me on Instagram. Let me know which ones you guys thought was better down below, alright?